heading 235, Malaysian 409. 3500, Malaysian 409. Heading 190, heading 190, clear ILS 14 left, Malaysian 409.
Ignition set 1915, we just traffic alert because no RA and establish on localizer.
For arrival, Cathay 723 descending at altitude 6,500 feet. Descend altitude 6,500 feet and cancel the start direct man on Cathay 723.
Emirates 408 for station 4. Yes, 1 contact tower 118 definitely.
Region 1, bye-bye.
Bye.
Region 1 approaching 8,000.
Region 7890 10 7000.
7,000, Manchester 89.
Malaysian 1 approaching 8,000.
Malaysian 1 descend to 7,000.
7,000 Malaysian 1. Local control director Malaysian 1 reducing speed to 250 knots.
Malaysian 1 approved. Malaysian 1 cancels on right.